Hello, are we up? Okay, yay, we're up. We're starting a little early, minute early. And let's go. I think a bit of it's cut off. Let's see. Is everything set up? Oh, there we go. There's everything. All right. There's nobody here. So the idea is that we are going to be going learning game dev from scratch, quite literally. Scratch, the website. If you know this stuff. If not, it's essentially blocks which have logic, and you put them together to learn to create a game or whatever you wish to make. It makes it a lot easier for beginners, and I've used it quite a lot. But today I want to make something, like a real game, something that actually feels like a game that you could like sit down and play using Scratch. And after we use Scratch, we're gonna move up, from Scratch up to some more complicated things. We're gonna first go on to like Pygame, nice framework, which uses Python, and then we're gonna go up to maybe even an engine if we need to. The whole thing is it's gonna be self-paced, so like instead of learning a tutorial and whatever, we're just gonna get in there, try and make a game. All right, so I've gotten a couple ideas from people. Any viewers which do not exist that are not here could give me some ideas, but yeah, again, there's none of you. So the ideas I've got and we're gonna use are gonna be gardening and target practice and a platformer. So, you know, we got our work cut out for us, but we can do it. All right. So, what we can do is first off, we're gonna need to delete this basic stuff, and I think I want to have like a couple levels. So we're gonna first, make a level select screen, I think. Just the ability to do that. And then once we get into like different stages, how to leave the stage, and then we can start, the platformer aspect, just so we have movement. And then once we have that done, we can start, working on some other like the gardening part or the target practice part. Probably target practice first. Because my idea is we're gonna have like a water bucket over top plants, and you have to shoot them to like, complete parts of the level. Like you can use it to like climb up. So yeah, let's see, what does chat think? There is no chat. All right, so let's just get into it. No need to babble around. All right, and first off, style. How are we doing style? Do we do pixel art? I'm not very good at that. I kind of want to give it like a aesthetic, but let's try this. All right, so backdrops. We have our scene one stage. What do we call this? Backdrop one? No, let's call this stages. Do we have different stages? Yeah, different stages. Different. I can add a new backdrop or a new stage. I want to add a new stage. Can I do a new stage? Can you have more than one stage? Can you add code to your backdrops though? Does my does the backdrop? Yeah, you can have. It's a stage. Okay, so all right, and then if I add another background, let's see what they have. Let's see what we can use. What do we got? Blue sky. Let's try blue sky 2. It's blank. Backdrops. There's two backdrops. Let's see. Each backdrop, does it have its own code? So let's see. Clear backdrops. And now I go here, code. Code is the same. Okay. Can I not add a new stage? If anybody shows up that knows, we'll see. But let me search first. Just because if I want to have a level select screen, I really want to have like the ability to to see what the backdrop is, the stage is. So let's see. Let's search this up, the true programmer fashion. How do you do this? Okay, can you add multiple stages in Scratch? Google, please inform us of the true answer. You could add multiple levels by creating multiple characters. Okay, you change the backdrop and you have to figure out. Okay, I see. My guess. Oh, hello, there's somebody. Who's here? Say hello. Okay, so let us see events. When flag clicked, this just starts the game. It's gonna backdrops, we're deleting this one. Just this, and let's call this start screen. All right, here we go. We have a start screen. So when our flag is clicked, when the game starts, this is all within the backdrop. Okay, so no. All right, we want to make the background set background to switch background to start screen. And when flag clicked, we want to make sure all of our sprites just do not exist. But first, we're going to make this. So we need some sprites. We are going to want just our own sprites, though. Make our own. I want to make my own sprite. How do I make a sprite? Here, can I, wait a second. There's the options. I don't want to choose a sprite. I want to create a sprite. No, 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 no. Let me create one. How do I do this? Choose a sprite. Can I? Sure, this is at the very top. Tippity top to the very left. Just there we go. Oh, okay, moving the thing changes stuff. Okay, there. We have the choice within here now to make our own. How do I make my own? How do I make my own? I don't know. This won't show. Alright, how do I do this? How do I make my own? How to make my own sprite? Why is this? There we go. Choose a sprite, paint a sprite. Surprise? No, I don't want a random sprite. Okay, we got a new sprite. This will be level. Wait a sec. So we're gonna say, I think we should have this be the level begin. We need a button. No, we don't need a button to start the game. We don't. We need a start menu for a start screen, not a level select yet. But we can have this per the levels, like level 1 button. All right, there we go. But first off, let's go back to our backdrop. Our backdrops. All right, start screen. We need to draw out a start screen. Fill it in first. What color? I say a nice blue. We need a nice blue color. There we go. All right, now fill it in with blue. Can we not just fill it in? I want to fill in the whole thing with blue. Can I just do that? What are we doing right now? Are we doing vector or pixel? Convert to bitmap? No, I want vector. Well, we could do bitmap. There we go. Now we'll convert that to vector. So that's how that color is gonna look. I want a different color though. I want a, what if I I don't want that dark. I want it to be like that color. What color do I want? Darker, nice dark. There we go. That's what we want. Now let's fill it in. No, we gotta do bitmap for some reason for this part. Doesn't like filling it in vector. Okay. And then text. Text we want to do in vector because bitmap is gonna be very, you know, or we could do pixel art. Do we want to do pixel art? We could do pixel. Go back to bitmap. Yeah, we're just gonna do this all in pixel. All right. There's handwriting pixel. Yay. All right. We're gonna need a name for this game and a color for this. Let us go like super dark black. Hello world. Then we want to select it so we can center it. How do I select it? Can I not select stuff easily? And let's try this one last time. Convert to vector. Let's try this in vector. Let's just this might be easier in vector. I have no idea. This is a I don't hello world. Okay. Now I want to there we go. Yeah, vector is nice. How do we center this? Where's the middle? Does that look centered? I don't think that's centered, really, at all. Like, it's like very badly centered if it is. How do I center it? What's this outline say? That's, yeah, no, wait, where's the, those lines that help you align it? No, it is not centered at all. Let's try this. Alright, so let's grab it from the middle here, and then we go get it there, lift it up. This is bad. It's fine. Not hello world. Let's try garden warrior. Oh, our centering's gone. Alright, it's fine. Alright, how do I make this bigger now? Is there font size, or do we have to just use this? There we go, that's good size. Wait a second. What if we just... Oh, there's a little dandy plus sign. Oh, it's just because we didn't make it in vector, I believe. Oh, hello, Nell Real. Don't know how recent that was. Hello, hello there. How are you? Uh, Let me change that back. What happened? Why is my chat thing going wacky? Hello. Ha- okay. Well, let's keep going. What do you think? So let's see how this looks if we zoom it in. I feel like this purple not working out very well. Do not like this purple color. Worst pronunciation ever. What about it? Oh, oh, of your name. Oh, sorry. Okay, let's see this background color. Now let's see the fill. What do we change this to? That doesn't change it. Okay, I like this color here. I don't know what's going on there. That really should not look like that. Okay, let's change it. Do we change? How do you change it? I don't know how to change the fill color on that. Wait a second. Just like this. Hopefully. Please, please, please change fill color. Oh, we could change that. What if we changed it to a white? What do you think? Just a pure saturation all the way to 0 and just go like that. Okay, that's good. Now that background color has got to go. I'm gonna go back to bitmap. I know. Thought we were gonna stay here, but I really need to change this color. I want to sort of really light blue. No, saturation should be high. Brightness. Wait a second. Why are we doing blue? I think green's better. What do you guys think? What do you think? Nel. How do I pronounce it? Nelray. Uh, nice foresty green. Oh, we gotta get the insights. I like this green, but clearly the actual game does not. It does not see this as a good color. I do not like this color selection. Yeah, it's fine. Garden Warrior, and now we need to draw something. Something, let's say, like a gardening spout. What do you think? Gardening spout, yeah. And then press any button to begin. Should be good. Hmm. No, brightness, we can raise up the brightness. Let's try what color do we want the gardening spout to be? I want a brown. Where's brown? Where's brown on a color wheel? There you go. Actually, let's go just black first. Oh, if I make it yellow, then the game might become green. Oh, that's a good idea. Let's try that. Let's see. That makes sense. Wait a second. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. Oh, let's go. It worked. We just need to change a couple of things. Let's lower the brightness. Let's go! It worked. That was a wonderful idea. Thank you. I'm gonna keep that color though, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna leave that color in there because it's like blue for like water maybe? Or no. Nah. I'll fill that in too. But yeah, no, it worked. Making it yellow made it green. Yeah, you're right. All right. So now we know how to do it. It's just based off that color wheel, but like where the color should, just behind it a little. Okay. Now wait, so what color's a gardening? Like, like the thing to like spray your garden to plant your plants? What color is that normally? gardening spout? Is that what it's called? I have no idea what it's supposed to be called. Yeah, it's called a gardening spout. All right, so it usually has like a highlighted color handle and like, so let's see. Let us try the color, like I said earlier, brown. Let's try brown. So let's go brightness. Let's put it in the purple range. Go here, and maybe this will draw brown. Let's see first, what does this draw? That just draws purple. I guess it's just the fill that's weird. Because that drew the color that it showed. Let's try just regularly grabbing brown. Alright. There and now brown. Is that brown? No, we need to go back a little. Right? There's a brown. Let's see, does the brown come out as that's not brown, but like it does come out as the same color. So let's try this side. Maybe we get a good brown. It's still not brown. Uh, ah, there. There we go, that's brown. And does it come out as brown? Yeah, it comes out as brown. Let's go. Oh, what does this do? Does this just place a shape in there? Or is it like a what? No, yeah, it literally just places a shape. Okay, let's delete that. Let's delete these lines, select the line. Or we just go back twice. One, two. Three. I don't see the go backiness. Oh, we went back too far. There we go. Now it's good. Okay, so time to start our journey into drawing a spout. So the audio stream's current bitrate is 0. Okay, that's not good. Can you hear me well? I'm getting told that my audio's not well. Is my audio good? How's my audio? Can you guys hear me? Hello. Oh, you're sending in celebrations. Wonderful. That's amazing. Thank you so much. So yeah, so can you hear me? You're gonna draw a faucet like like the spout, the thing you like carry. Oh, you hear me fine? All right, that's good. There, let's see. No, you want to keep it straight. How do I? There, line. There's a line menu. S- There we go. Uh, let's see. Let's see. I'm gonna need a rating for how good this is, like a genuine one. So I'd like if I redo it or not. There. I know an eraser. Please don't delete the background. Oh no, it deletes the background. Okay. If we're gonna, let's see. Just fill this in now. Let's use the fill bro thing. Fill, will that work? Yes. All right. The art doesn't have to be professional or anything. I think it's mostly the game mechanics that I want to use just for today is the most important part. But a good looking game would be great as well. All right, and now this top part, let's cover it here. And then we want like that round bit at the top. That's going to be in our different color. What is that supposed to be? You'll see. It's all coming together. And now we want a brush and a different color. What color do you want that? I think I'm just gonna go with a black. Just keep it all dark. Let's just do this part first. It's gonna be easier. Watering can. Yeah, that's what we're making, a watering can. There you go. You got it now. This part's tough. Okay, what if we use the circle? What if we created a circle? Yeah, that worked. Wait a second, that was great. Now this one we need to actually just have a steady hand. That was really bad. That one's bad. No. No, not Control X, Control Z. There we go. That's too tall. Let me get our reference image again. Back up here. Okay, so you generally have like just one on the side. Like right here. And one up there like that. I say this one looks good, the one on the side does not. It looks like a water pump. You don't like the circle? Yeah, it's not good, but like it's better than nothing, right? Why does this have a outline? All right, we'll try without the circle. All right, now this stuff needs to go. That needs to go. What if I use the fill tool? Wait, I need this color first of all. Can I get this color? How do I yoink colors? Where do I yoink colors? Here. Okay, so let's go fill tool. It just looks like a water pump right now. Okay, okay. Uh, fill. Debatable. What about debatable? All right, there we go. Let's. Oh no, that was bad. Actually, wait a second. What if we start drawing? And I feel like it's too square, so let's start to round this off. No, go back. Okay, let's just start from here. No. Ah, and if I go like this? No, go back one. There we go. All right, now we fill this part in. And all right, what else? What do we got? We need to fill that back in with the black. I mean with the brown. So we go there, fill. Uh, did I get it? I thought I got it. There we go. Why is this so, why is this thing going crazy? All right. Why is this thing so laggy? I don't like that. There we go. Yeah. Okay, I think it's fine that it's this square. Doesn't need to be that good. And I know the circle was bad, so we're not going to do that again. Like it was actually like a tro. It was better than what I had before, but doesn't make it good. I'm not able to edit like pixel here because again, this is just like meant for children to learn. So it's not like I have to make the art outside of it and import it if I want it to look good. And I am not in the mood for that right now. Okay, what do you think of this beautiful water spout? A watering can. What do you think of this watering can? Is it great? Is it the best thing you've ever seen? What do you think of this watering can? You can get a little smaller, so then we don't have to worry about those blemishes that were there. What is that? Is that on my screen or is that just there? It's just a little tiny thing there. She told me it was a watering can. I still wouldn't see it. Oh, really? Is that bad? Is that bad of a watering can? How do I make it better? What about it makes you not tell that it's a watering can? I think that top bit needs to be updated. Like make it look better. Okay. What what makes what do you what doesn't look like a watering can? This part can go. Let's try this again. I think the circle's fine. I'm gonna go back to circle because it's better. Okay. We're making this shorter, making it a little smaller. I'm going back to circle. Oh, you just don't like the color? The brown? What color should it be then? That's an easy fix. Tell me out, what color you think? What color should it be? You say blue? Blue? Alright, we got blue. A dark blue. Okay, dark blue. Let's see it. Let's make it dark. Hopefully this does not turn purple. It turned purple. Okay, time to change it to like a green, and it should be blue. Let's go. It needs to be darker though. Uh, really dark green there. There we go. What do you think of that? Is that a good color? Look at the one in the top right, because that's the real one. That's how the game's gonna look. Let me full screen it for you. What do you think? Does this look like a watering can? Thanos one. Oh, for the purple one? Oh yeah. All right, what do you think of this watering can? It looks better? All right. Do you think that top bit needs to be moved a little? Because I feel like it should. Uh, like a teapot. Looks like a teapot. Hey, that's close enough, you know. They're very similar in shape, not gonna lie. Oh my goodness. All right, so this I'm gonna yoink out. None of this, none of that. All right, where's this? Okay, so I need a line first. No, I don't need that color of a line. I need a different color. This color. Oh, it looks fine to you now? All right. Why is this going crazy? There we go. All right, so if that looks fine, I think I'm gonna make it a little shorter. No, wait, it's fine. You said it's fine? All right, I'm gonna leave this top part. Now we're just gonna add the little press any key to start the game. And we're gonna go back to vector because that's nicer for text, I guess. Text is gonna be white brightness there. Okay, press any key start. And this needs to be much smaller. All right, there we go. Let us make this itchy beachy tiny. And now let's center it. Where's there's the center, and we go down. Press any key to start. I hope that's centered. Let's let's look at it. Does that look centered? Yes or no? I don't think that's centered. It might be because I don't think the actual this like the screen part is centered on it. It might be though. I cannot tell. Does the press any key to start look centered to you?